Good afternoon, we're so glad you're here.
We daily vlog, so if you like this video, come on back tomorrow.
Ooh, today was the day.
You have 5 o'clock shadow from today.
I haven't shaved in a couple days. I was thinking about growing it out, but I just don't know. I don't know. I came to the realization that we don't need to hide something about our lives anymore, guys. And I haven't even told Sarah this yet. And that what I decided without Sarah's discussion is that we don't need to hide where I work, because it's really not that hard to figure that out and to know how. Anybody with a premier LinkedIn account can just simply search my name. So I work for Wyndham Destinations, the world's largest timeshare company in the world. I am a systems integration manager, and I had a crazy day because of all the craziness going on in the world. So I'm ready to watch some funny New Girl on Netflix while we eat the pasta and soup dishes and this delicious Brussels sprout concoction ceremony that tastes like literal Ohana pot stickers.
This is my jam.
We're going to IKEA finally.
IKEA and some grocery store for provisions.
And running.
Running tonight. Also, I still can't get over the fact that it's sunny out and it's 7:08. That's our old area code.
7:08?
Actually, it's not our old area code. We still have that area code for our phone.
Yeah. I have not been in IKEA in over 10 years. I think this is about to be very overwhelming. There's a chart like we're in Disney World, and it smells fresh and delightful. And there's music and themes and good at marketing. I'm stressed and pumped. All the numbered signs. Alright, so we are here. But we have to go upstairs to the different showrooms. Oh, then you go back downstairs, I guess. Alright, here's where we're going. Well, I mean, I guess we could look at the baby stuff, but we don't have to. We don't need anything for the kitchen. We need... Ooh, okay, things we need. Bedside tables. Maybe a bed. Bookcases I like to look at. Bunk beds are fun. Maybe we got one for fun, but not for realsies. But we need to look at office chairs. I always like chopping boards, just for fun. Clocks, who needs them? Who needs organizers? Oh, tea and coffee has their own section. Seeing that. Curtains. We need curtains and curtain rods. There was something else we were coming here for, but I have now been lost in the abyss. They have a pet accessories? That's ridiculous. A whole case of vases? I am not allowed that. Just break them all. So I had to place an order. They'll start picking it up once we place it, but I have bigger news. Effective Sunday through the end of the month, Disney World's closed in Disney Springs. So Sunday. But I can still do my 12 and a half hours on the People Mover.
What are hurrah? If it's open.
If it's open. But I'll just do Small World or something. I text Steve, or he texted me, and I said, I can still do my People Mover, and he's like, you should probably reconsider. And I was like, I don't think so. But I text work. Work's gonna be even more crazy tomorrow.
Hey, you feel so happy?
Well, with Disney World closing Sunday and our living room being spruced up, it's gonna be great.
Say, Peter, why do we need this whole thing down?
We got ourselves a bookshelf.
Ah!
Alright, here we go. We got 2 frames, or 2 shelves for pictures up there. Bunch of frames. We got these 2 big old boxes, which are gonna be a beautiful shelf right here with a light on top and hanging capabilities up there. Thank you very much. Are you excited or what?
I'm so excited. However, my belly hurts. No complaints here whatsoever.
Everybody at work keeps asking how you are, and I say she's doing great, she feels terrible. And they give me a weird look. If people don't realize like what, they like forget the journey we've been through, they like give me a weird look. I'm like, we've been wanting this for 5 years almost. Miscarriage, IUIs, IVFs, it is a good thing for her to feel like garbage.
Yeah.
And people who I know.
Like, I'm so tired, and I am so belly achy, and then all of a sudden I'm like starving. Like I need food immediately. That's my biggest thing.
So I have one question for you that you must answer.
Okay.
Blinds first or bookshelf first?
Blinds.
Perfect.
One eternity later.
Alright. First, what I think is the hardest part of the curtain aspect is over. The anchors are up. Now I gotta get the ironing board out and we gotta iron these bad boys.
Yeah. It's tough when like you have windows that have blinds that you have to keep a certain way, you know? But I think we made do for how like what they look like, you know?
Yeah. They're gonna be great. And we have yesterday playing as we're doing this. It is 11:35 at night, but first project of the night is complete. I think the second one's gonna go smoother, but Eve won't stop giving Sarah kisses.
We had to do more figuring out of this, whereas the other one is just like following
Directions.
instructions.
Yeah, but I
What do you
think
think?
here, I'm gonna turn off the light. This temporary light. Oh, that is cozy as could be.
You might need to space out the right one a little bit more.
Yeah. This is a big old instruction book.
For 11:30 at night. Eve is not so sure about this.
This is called the Billy.
We are gonna watch The Last 5 Years. We've never seen the actual musical, but the movie's really good. Our Apple TV has messed up our download a ton, but it now, like, it would like play different audio over the wrong video, but I think it's finally figured itself out. I spoke too soon. No, this is not even until the end.
Alright, we're looking good. I'd say about 30% there. And I just have to like geek out on, I know IKEA, I don't think they invented it. These like screw and lock systems. I absolutely love. You use these pieces, or this plastic screw piece. They go in the little holes right there. The screw metal piece goes in there. The plastic piece goes in there. And if you look, let's see if I can get this on our sick new camera. It happens. Oh, it happens like so. Like you put this in flat like this, and then you spin it, and you see how it locks in there, like locking teeth. So geeky, so great. I love it.
We're almost there. We're almost there. We're getting close to 1 a.m. if we're not already there. So I put on New Girl. I'm gonna make sure that my phone is alive so I can replug it in when I get into the room. And I'm going to bed. Peter is committed. He wants to finish this project. I did do the dishes. What's wrong? Are you confuzzled?
Yeah, I'm puzzled. Alright, there's our bookshelf. Last piece of the night is installing this here lamp to on top of that. Brass brush light installed. 1:47 in the morning. Shelves installed. I do need to anchor it to the wall still, but I need to get a stud finder to really do that. But look at this. That's moved over so you can chill in the window, but blinds.
Hello, Sarah from the future here. I'm editing the vlog right now. I'm wearing the same outfit as I was yesterday. But in the video, we keep on calling the curtains blinds. We got new curtains. We didn't get new blinds. So yeah, sometimes English is hard for the Brookharts. Okay, back to the vlog.
Bookshelf with light, which we've been missing a bookshelf for 3 years since I broke it when we moved from the north side back to the south side 3 years ago. Mirror, lamp, new desk. Oh, we just need to, we'll do it tomorrow, but we're gonna hang these two things right there, and then we're gonna hang these two along with all of these in between there. Oh man, that's really gonna tie the living room together. I don't even think Right now I think this is a sufficient enough amount of light, because we talked about getting another one of these lamps for right there, but then when we saw this bookshelf with that lamp on there, I said that might be enough. Now we might either put nothing there or get a old-fashioned quilt stand, because we have a solid quilt and a blanket we could hang on there. But ooh, does this look like an almost put, this is the most put together living room we've ever had. And I can see it now with those shelves up there with the pictures. Beautiful. Proof that it is way too late for me to be awake and working on things. But today is March 12th, 3 months after my birthday. Today's quote is by C.S. Lewis. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. I will live that statement out for the rest of my days. Look who just came crawling out of the bedroom like, excuse me, it's way too late. Thank you for following along with our adventures today. We are going to the parks the next 2 days. Supposed to ride People Mover on Saturday for 12.5 hours in honor of American Cancer Society. It has been down, so we'll see. If it's still down, a lot of you have been asking, I will be choosing another Magic Kingdom attraction to ride over and over again. She's so tired. And tomorrow we're going to see Alyssa and Matt and family again, because I think it'll be the last time we get a chance to see them, but everybody be safe out there. Crazy big day with Universal Hollywood, Disneyland, and Islands of Adventure, not Islands of Adventure, California Adventure, and here Disney World here, all announcing cancellations tomorrow at work. Today was already crazy, me running reports specific to the fallout of the travel industry taking a halt right now. Tomorrow's going to be even crazier. So, but it's Friday, so everybody be safe, enjoy, don't be too scared. We need to be cautious but still enjoy our lives. We love you guys. It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.